Hello, my name is Regina Scheidler. I want to thank you for allowing me to share Freedom Motors conversions with you. Today I'm going to show you a Dodge Grand Caravan automatic entry. You just push the button twice and it'll open the trunk part of it. Once that is up, you will take the second fob, push the 1, and you will see that the ramp will come down very easily and the vehicle will lower. I've never worked for a company that had such a polite vehicle that will bow before you, until now. This is a 30-inch ramp, which gives you 40 inches long. This 30-inch ramp, again, is motorized. There is 100 feet from the front to the back end of the entry vehicle, giving you that 100 feet, allowing you to have 2 lockdown points for 2 chairs, to accommodate 2 chairs. We offer the OEM seats that come standard with the vehicle, but we also offer upgrades in case you need larger space or room for your wheelchair in that second row. The second row can have the deluxe bucket seats, which is very nice, allowing you to have a little more room for that second row seating. Nice thing about it is you can get the 30-inch bench for that second row, which will put your wheelchair at the rear. If you want to continue having the bucket seats, but sometimes they get in the way, we have another option for you. They're called the fold downs. They fold down and flip up. So that gives you more room in the second row when you're not using those second row seatings. The front row seating, which is very nice, if you drive still, you can get, and you can transfer, you can get a transfer seat. It will eliminate the second row seating on either side, driver or passenger side. When you have your setup as it is shown here, the nice thing about it is, say you have a couple more people that want to go along with your trip. Where are you going to put them? Well, I would suggest the luggage rack, but that's probably not very popular. So we have a lay down seat or a second or third row bench that you can fit 2 more people in. It's probably more practical. That folds up, locks in place, and when you do lock it down, you cannot hear the rattling as you're going down the road. We offer tie downs, and we do offer several different types of tie downs. Some come with it. The standard comes with the conversion, but the retractable tie downs are most popular and easier. You will hear clicking as you're going down the road, just making sure that it's holding that wheelchair in place, which is for your safety. Thank you.